Hey everybody, today is Freebie Friday, so I'm going to show you something you can do for free at home using stuff you have around the house. So I actually have two videos for you showing you the same thing. The first video is from me and it's just a quick overview of what we're doing. And then the second video is from Mr. Katerick, one of our band directors. It's him and his daughter Kinsey in Miss Eubanks' class, and they go a little more in depth on this project. So check them out. So in this video, I'm going to show you how my son and I made paper plate shakers. The first thing we did is got our materials, paper plates, things to decorate, rice, a stapler, and some tape. And then we flipped our plates over to the back and decorated. You can decorate with markers, crayons, stickers, anything you have that you want to put on there. We used markers and Star Wars stickers because that's Henry's favorite thing right now is Star Wars. After we finished decorating, I folded our plates in half and then I stapled along the edge most of the way around. And then we poured in the rice and closed it the rest of the way with the stapler. Then I put tape around the edges so we wouldn't hurt ourselves on the staples. If you take your time with the tape, you can make it look much prettier than mine. And then the last step is to play them. In both this video and Mr. Katerick's video, we tell you what materials we used, but you can adapt that to whatever you have at home. Don't feel like you need to go out and buy certain things to make this happen. It's all about being inventive and seeing what you can do with what you have. So if you have any questions, let me know. Have a good day. I miss you. Bye.